Now let's get the smaller details and the small white string that passes through. Very little prominence to that, just there. It's not very white, it should not show too much, and that's how I painted it that way and blended it over with some little bit of ultramarine blue. So now I'm going to paint the grey metallic part which is at the bottom, and so I removed some poster white in the palette, added just a little bit of black, checked the shade, and I added a little bit of yellow ochre to this because I can see a slight yellowish tinge when I paint it, and that gives my plain base color first. Then I'm going to add some details, with darker details with direct black. Just take a little bit and do the details first, and then you can go shade darker. And I'm gonna pick ultramarine blue and do over the black because it's a reflection of the other beads that fall on it, which gives a little bluish shade. And here I removed some watery black in the palette to make some lighter grays towards the left. And then I'll be adding some direct poster white for the highlights.